Hi, this is Eric with Auto Advantage in Escondido, California, with a quick walk-around video of our 2015 Toyota Prius plug-in hybrid. So let's get started. 117,000 miles on the odometer. Metallic blue. Yokohama tires. Very clean car inside and out. This is the plug-in hybrid version. It does come with the charging cable. This is where you'd plug it in. As an added bonus, you do have the Clean Air Vehicle Access stickers, which means you can go on the HOV lanes in California, even if you're alone and don't have a passenger, and you won't be charged. Convenient hatchback configuration with the cargo cover. Those seats do fold flat in the back, so if you need to carry anything large, you can. It's probably even big enough back there if you wanted to sleep in the back or camp, you could use it that way as well. Alloy wheels. Does have the keyless entry. JBL audio, premium sound. Of course, it's got the power options, power windows, locks, and mirrors. Also has a power driver's seat with power lumbar. Got your Bluetooth controls. Navigation. Backup camera. Heated leather seats. It's also got a feature here that you can schedule when you want the car to charge, so you could plug it in when you get home at 5:30 and schedule it to charge beginning at 9 p.m. when the electric rates are cheaper. Got side curtain airbags. Also side-mounted airbags in addition to the front airbags. Here's a reproduction of the window sticker, so you can see excellent gas mileage, 51 city, 49 highway. City driving is really where hybrid vehicles shine. I mean, you'll typically double the gas mileage over your average four-cylinder car. So if you do a lot of city driving, hybrid is definitely what you want to get. One-owner car. 24 service records. It's been in California the whole time. I'm gonna just flip through real quick and show you. This thing's been dealer maintained start to finish. You can also view this full Carfax on our website. I'm just gonna point out a few highlights. Again, all Toyota service. Transmission fluid changed at 78,000. The 90,000 mile service has been done at Toyota. Transmission fluid again was changed at 103. That's really important. And you're lucky on a lot of cars to even find proof of one transmission service. So to find one with two is definitely important. Also, the major 120,000 mile service was done along with the spark plugs, so the being replaced. That's the tune-up. So about as good as you can ask for on an older used vehicle to get a one-owner dealer maintained vehicle. That's what you should be looking for. As you can see, it's very clean inside and out. So to reach us, you can call or text 760-280-7648 or visit us at ibuycleancars.com. Thank you.